I tried CPA self-clicking for 10 minutes, and this is the result that I got from this website. And what this thing does, I go out there, learn some skills, and try some things and errors, and come back to this platform to show you exactly what I did, and so that you can also go out there, replicate that same thing and get same results. So I'll be right back after this intro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, my name is Richmond, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, and anything related to how to make money online. So if you're somebody who wants to make money online, all I urge you to do is to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. And if you want to learn my #1 method that I used to make tons of money online, you can check out this link over here, so that you'll be able to get the tool that I use to make money online. So let's not forget, let's dive into today's method. So the platform that we are going to use today is shareasale.com. So I'll leave the link in the description below, so that you can click on that and get to this platform. The signing up process is very simple, so I'm not going to take you through the sign up process, but how to sign up, unless you choose as an affiliate. Yes, I'll leave the link so that you get 50% approval on this website, and the rest 50% will be on your hustle to get into this website. So I'll leave the link in the description below. Click on that and it will get you here. You sign up as an affiliate, and you're going to replicate this thing, get this kind of money. I tried this method for just 10 minutes, and I'm going to do this live to show you guys this method works. So guys, let's dive into this method. So the program that I'm promoting on this website is Unique Paid. So you come to share, say, click on merchant, search for merchant, and so if you're happy that I'm going to show you this method, go to the comment section and type in CPA money, right? Type in CPA money. So when you come to this place, all you need to do is to search for Unique Paid. Okay, uniquepay.com. So I'll hit on search. Okay, so this is the program that I'm promoting right now. It's Unique Paid, and the payout is $1.50 just to do CPA. CPA means cost per action. So somebody needs to take an action on your link, and right after that you're going to earn just $1.50. Yes, so you need after getting, it's just instant approval. So when you click on join, it's going to approve you automatically without any hassle. So when you get to the dashboard of Unique Paid, all you need to do is to read the merchant description. So uniquepay.com online rewards program. Our members earn real cash by signing up for free offers, visiting sites, reading emails, shopping online, and more. We pay $1.50 per new user who signs up and confirm his email. The member must complete at least one offer after registration. So I'm going to take you through the process of how to register or how to get these sign-ups by yourself, just to do self-clicking on your link. Yes, so I'm going to show you the right thing that you need to do, how you are going to do this thing to make money with this CPA offer. Yes, so after clicking on this, and after you get self-approval, all you need to do is to click on get links. So this is the link that we need to copy. So I'll hit on copy, and as you can see over here, it says copied. So I'll quickly open up a new tab and then paste that link over there and try to open it. Yes, so what you need to do right after doing this is by clicking on this and create a new guest. Use Chrome browser to create a guest tab. Yes, and you paste the link into it and hit on that. So you see, after it will try to open it to you guys, and this is the sign up process of Unique Paid. All you need to do right after getting to this platform, all you need to do is to hit on sign up, and it's going to take you through the sign up process where you can sign up and make money with this platform. So where it says not specified, that means you need to select your country. So please select your country. All you need to do is to hit on that, and you're going to select your country. Select any country that you wish to, you can select. So let me select Austria, and what I will do next is to hit on continue registration. So after right after hitting on continue registration, all you need to do is to type in any random name that comes to your mind. You type in any random name. And guys, before I continue with this, let me go back to my ShareSale account and show you the amount of money that I have in my account, and come back to this place and continue. So as you can see over here that I have $15 in my balance. Let me go to the main dashboard of ShareSale. So as you can see over here that I have $15 on my dashboard right now. So I'm going to complete this task and then show you how much I'm going to earn from this click, and remove on from there. So if you like what I'm doing or what I'm showing you, all you need to do is to smash the like button and comment down below that ShareSale money or CPA money. Okay, so let's continue. When you get to the mobile number, you need to type in any mobile number that comes into your mind. So like I said, I choose Ghana, so I need to choose any number that comes to my mind. So let me type in any number. So like I said, this is the random number that I chose for this offer. So what we need to do, we left with the email site. So what you need to do is to pull up to go to this website called emailgenerator.com, generator.email. So this platform, what it does is it gives you any random email. So all you need to do is to copy this email from this website over here, copy it, or let me hit on copy over here and go to the platform. Okay, let me refresh this website so that I'll be able to get a new email. So what it does is that anytime that we refresh it, it will give you another email. So let me refresh it and hit copy this email, go to the platform and paste this email over here. Okay, so let me paste it over here, and then let me select my agenda, household, anything that you wish, you can do it on this website. Select any random birthday, and select any random birthday. Okay, so anything that you wish, you can select. Okay, so you put in your password. So right after putting in my email, what I need to do is to hit on this captcha box over here to complete this captcha and hit on continue registration. So according to the captcha, it says I need to select cars. So I'll select all the images with cars and hit on verify, and it's going to verify me right after clicking on that and hit on continue registration. So I need to agree to the terms of service on this website, which is above over here. Yes, that means I've agreed to the terms of service. I hit on continue registration, and boom, it's going to log us into our account. And what you need to do right now is to save our password. Let me go back to the platform that I used to register for the email and show you what we are going to do right now. So I'll go back to that place and hit on this refresh button over here. That means we are going to meet our message to confirm our email, because according to the platform, it says you need to confirm our email. So after hitting on refresh, we are going to wait for our email to. Okay, so this is the email from Unique Paid, has dropped into the accounts. So the thing that the link that we need to click on, that is this. You need to click on this to confirm our email. Okay, so that means we've confirmed our email, and now we are members of Unique Page. So you see, welcome Unique Page, your account has been activated. Log into your so you type in your password and you keep this password very safe. So you hit on enter. Make sure you save this password on your PC. This is the only way that if you like, you can write the email somewhere, but this is the only way that you can keep your password somewhere. And right after doing this, you hit on save password and you go back to your CPA account to refresh our account, because we've signed into so boom, as you can see guys, our account has been credited, moved from 15 to 16. This is the only method that you can use to make money online, as simple as that. So if you like what I'm showing you guys, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then comment down below CPA money or CPA money, and I'll be giving you update on this platform each and every day. So this is the only thing that you can do to make money online. So all you need to do, according to the website, it says the member must complete at least an offer. So what you need to do right now is to come back to this platform, complete an offer from this website, and you are ready to go and withdraw your money. So that is that. And this is the only method. This is how I was able to do self-collecting on CPA markets and platform called Share Sale. So I'll leave the link to Share Sale in the description below, so that you can click on that, come to this website, and try to make money by yourself. Until you see my next video. And if you want to learn my #1 strategy that I use to make money online, come see that link in my banner, and you can comment. I'll place that link in the description of this video. You can click on that and learn my #1 strategy that I use to make money online. So let me refresh my account for you to know that this is not just a screenshot of whatever I'm showing you here. It's a real proof of money that I've dropped in my account. So guys, this is the only thing that you can use to make money online. So until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.